Welcome everyone. This is Bōde's Calgary real estate market update for December 2021. I'm going to show you what's happening in Calgary at a macro level in terms of supply and demand and prices, and then I'm going to show you how you can look at the exact same information for your own specific community and property type. So let's dive in. First thing we're going to look at is new listings. So here we're looking at City of Calgary, all residential listings, and the number of new listings that came to market each month for the last 4 years. So you can see it normally follows a pretty consistent seasonal pattern, and the bright blue line is for 2021. 2021 has seen lots of new listings in the spring and summer months, but now kind of towards the end of the year, coming back down more towards a normal number of new listings per month. And in November, new listings are up 9% versus the average of the last 3 Novembers. So new listings up a little bit, but sales have really been on a very strong run. So the bright blue line shows sales have been up hugely over previous years. And in November, sales up 69% versus the average of the previous 3 Novembers. So sales have been really strong, and proportionately sales have been stronger than new listings. So if more homes are selling and there's not as many new listings coming on the market, then obviously the total number of homes for sale is going down. And if we look here at the total inventory, we can see that we're at one of the lowest points in the last 4 years of total inventory, so total number of homes for sale. We're actually at the lowest point in 2021, so fewer homes for sale right now than at any point earlier this year. So not a lot of options for buyers. If you're looking for a home in Calgary right now, there's fewer to choose from than there'd normally be. And if you're a seller, this is actually good news because you've less competition, fewer homes that you're competing against. So if we take a look at months of supply, so that's taking a look at, given the total amount of inventory and the monthly number of sales, how many months would it take to sell through all the homes that are currently for sale? And right now, the bright blue line 2021, well, all year has been very low months of supply. But at this very moment in November, one of the lowest months of supply we've seen, 1.8 months only for homes in Calgary. So what that means is the lower the months of supply, the more of a seller's market it is, and it's absolutely a seller's market in Calgary right now for most property types, certainly detached and attached homes. And if you're a buyer, again, a tough market to be buying in. So given everything that's happening there with supply and demand, what's happening with prices in Calgary? So this chart goes all the way back to 2005 and shows the HPI, or the home price index, for the last 16 years. So you can see here in 2021, prices have gone up quite quickly, mostly thanks to that shortage of inventory and high demand for homes. But you can see the last kind of 6 months has been fairly flat. So prices starting to flatten in Calgary and leveling off. But really, you have to look at all of this data for your specific community and for your property type, because detached homes will be so different from apartments. And you can do all of that on our website at bode.ca. So all you have to do is go to our market data page where you can see what's on the market and what's sold by community. So this is where you can look up your neighborhood and see those same supply and demand metrics. You can also go to our sold data page where you can see the sold price of any home for the last 11 years. And finally, our comparables page, which you can enter the features of your home, and you'll see the most similar live listings and the most similar recently sold listings. So check all that data out at bode.ca and join us again next month. Thanks very much.